what happens if I find problems with my house after settlement? Because that's kind of what happens a lot. You move in, the dishwasher breaks, you happen to find, I don't know, a rodent infestation in the insulation, cracks, things like that. It kind of depends what the problem is as to what you can do next. I would say start with your realtor or start with your home inspector if you had a home inspection. I would start with that inspection report if you had a home inspection to see, was that actually an issue and you just weren't paying attention to it? But if it is an issue that you didn't discover and you should have, you're gonna have a challenge proving that the seller knew it or should have known it. And this is kind of an example. I had some homeowners, they moved in and immediately they discovered they heard mice or scratching and someone came out and said, this was a serious problem. But they would have to demonstrate that the seller knew it, and here's where it might fall apart. If the seller had a company that they were paying to professionally treat the home, for example, or keep out pests, that expert that they were paying probably told them there was no problem whatsoever. So that immediately puts a cloud of doubt on the situation as to whether or not they were responsible. So if there was an issue, again, that was a clear issue that you had a home inspection and the home inspector missed it, give a call to the home inspector, reach out to them, and try to have a conversation. They do have insurance that protects them in many cases. If it's something else, then talk to your realtor, but you're really gonna have to do a little bit of a reality check and have confidence that you can absolutely demonstrate that the seller should have told you about it and they did not. And in that case, you're asking your realtor for a good attorney referral.